Alright guys, so super pumped, exciting day. We're doing the McLaren 675 LT exhaust right now, throwing the downpipes on that. We're going to be filming all that with Colton doing it. I'm excited because we are throwing on the 3-inch X pipe on my Camaro right now. It's running long tubes, high flow cats, and Corsa Sports, but we're going to throw a 3-inch X pipe on it and just really kind of like clean up the tone of it. And Dakota's going to be giving you guys tips on how to weld, so it'll be fun. Crusty.
How long have you been tuned? Cam and everything?
40,000 miles.
Okay. I'm interested to see what your cats look like when we take that.
Maybe we'll have to take them out.
Yeah.
Alright, so starting off, you're going to want to get the car up in the air and identify what is coming off the car and what is going on. Next, you're going to want to remove everything from the furthest point forward and test fit your new pipes front to back. Once everything is test fitted, do any kind of necessary welding and cutting. If you bought a complete system, welding most likely won't be required. This system does because it has Cook's headers, Texas Speed 3-inch cats with a 3-inch X pipe going straight back to 3-inch Corsa Sport mufflers. Because of this cross-branded build, we required lots of fitting and welding. But if you have a complete exhaust from one singular brand, you won't have to deal with all this. And your final step is to complete the install. Start up your vehicle and listen for any rattles or clanking. Once it's all fitted and good to go, you can go and enjoy your new exhaust.